Is your Kia Sedona key fob not working? Start with the most common culprits: a dead battery or a lost connection with your car. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery, typically lasting 1 to 3 years. Open the fob carefully with a small screwdriver. Replace the battery, ensuring correct polarity, and reassemble. If a new battery doesn't solve the issue, the fob likely needs resyncing. To resync, enter your Sedona with a working key. Cycle the ignition to the on position without starting the engine, and press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. This process often clears signal interference or memory errors, especially after a battery change or ECU reset. Make sure to complete this process near the vehicle's antenna. These two simple steps can fix over 90% of key fob issues. If battery replacement and resyncing don't work, the problem may lie with the vehicle's antenna. The antenna receives signals from the key fob. The antenna coil is typically located in the door handles or center console. Issues can arise from physical damage, wiring faults, or interference. Test the antenna with a multimeter for continuity. Environmental factors, like certain aftermarket window tints, can also interfere with the signal. Keep your key fob away from magnets, heat, and water to prolong its life. Looking ahead, Kia is integrating smartphone apps for remote locking, and future models may incorporate biometric access. Although this reduces dependence on hardware, it does open the system to cybersecurity risks. While traditional fobs are vulnerable to environmental factors, new innovations in solid-state batteries should help with corrosion issues.